Did you know that you can grow your own pepper plant in just a small pot in your garden or right on your home, even if you have a limited space? In this video, you'll learn how to successfully grow a pepper plant in a small pot, perfect for those living in apartments or flat or small homes. One of the most important things to consider when growing peppers in pots is the potting mix. Choose a high quality mix that drains well and has plenty of organic matter to feed your plants. In addition to choosing the right potting mix, you also need to think about watering and sunlight requirements. Peppers need full sun to produce well, so you'll want to choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Once you've got your pot and potting mix ready, then we'll prepare your pot by adding a layer of potting mix at the bottom. Next, we'll add our pepper seedling, gently removing it from the container and placing it in the pot. Make sure the soil is the same as it was in the container and add more potting mix around the roots and around the base of the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Water your pepper plant well and make sure the soil feels moist but not water clogged. Over the next few weeks, we'll be monitoring our pepper plant's progress, pruning it to encourage bushy growth and providing it with regular fertilization. As we continue to care for our pepper plants, we'll be watching for signs of pest or disease and taking action quickly to prevent any problem spreading. By following these simple techniques, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious pepper right in your own home, even in a small pot. To wrap up, we've covered the critical steps to growing a pepper plant successfully at home, regardless of your space limitations. With the right pot, soil, sunlight, and care, you can enjoy a thriving pepper plant that produces plenty of delicious pepper for you to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, please leave your comments below, sharing your pepper growing experience and where the country you come from. Thanks.